Nice first kick of the day. Nice. Raking them in, Jerry. Don't throw him back.
Nice.
Nice. Oh, well, good morning, folks. Today, me and Jerry are back out on Grayson Lake. It's supposed to be a cooler day. It's only supposed to be in the 70s after being in the 90s for the last few days. The fish are already biting. Jerry's already got 2. I haven't even got my worm on yet. And he's already up on me too. So yeah, we're gonna have to get at this and see if we can catch some more here. Oh, come in. Oh, there we go, folks. My first bass of the day. Nice little one, nice little chubby one. Yeah, say hi to the camera there. Okay, I'm good for the day. There we go, folks. My second little fish, that beautiful bluegill. Look at that color. There we go, 4 to 3, folks. Easy now. Another nice little bluegill there. What are we, Jerry? 5'3", 5'4"? Beautiful pink color, that bluegill. Oh, punch me right in the face. You assholes. Get you one.
I got a hit. That's all I got.
What'd that make me, 6? Yeah, 6. Little guy, but it counts. Another little baby bluegill. Hit it, bluegill. Ow. Are you done?
The flipper dance.
Yeah. It's been a bluegill day.
Yeah. Little fella.
Another little baby bluegill.
Oh. Yeah, you little spotted fella. Got me a little.
Oh, well, we're tied up again, ain't we, Jerry? Where are we, 8-8?
No. I don't know.
Look at the beautiful color on that bluegill. That little guy there. Yeah. Just dropped him back in the water. He wanted to go back in.
Yeah.
Pretty little bass out there. Not a huge one, but happy to have him. Okay, give you guys a little update here. We've just kind of been floating with the wind. It is crazy. That wind is knocking, it's causing swells. You can kind of see we kind of got into a cove here, but you can see the wind just ripping. But we got this nice little cove here and sitting for a moment and trying to warm up. It's actually cold for July, first day. It was only in the 50s this morning when we started, and it's finally warming up now that we're in the sun, but the wind still got a chill to it. I think the highs today only in the 70s, but the water is like bath water. It's at least in the upper 80s right now. But the fish are biting, bluegill at least. We caught a few small bass, and the wind's blowing us getting up to the rocks. Okay, hey. Another beautiful bluegill. I've lost count. Look at the color on that thing though.
I'm lost. It's pink and everything. Green. And blue.
Another nice bluegill. That one got some battle scars on them. Pretty one. Try for that.
Yeah. That was nice. There you go.
I think we run up on the party area. There's like 6 pontoons just blocking the whole lake up. Oh, come back, butterfly. Yeah, there's too many people down this way, so we're gonna fire up the engine, head back up the lake, check our 2 noodles, jugs, noodle jug, full noodles, whatever they call them, and see if we got anything on them, and probably head on up the other way for a little bit. Let's see. So it's been a little while since we had a bite and snagged a little bass here. The wind is still kicking. We're getting in shallows. We're gonna get stuck. Let's try not to get stuck.
Your bait. Oh, yeah.
That's definitely the biggest bluegill today. Yeah, he came up and knocked it, missed it, and then came back for it again. Little guy. He was hungry.
Another little one. Just a little better.
Hey, you still count?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, ain't it?
Yes, sir.
And look what you caught
There we
it
go,
on.
folks. Nice little bass of the day. He just nailed that fluke. It's all the way back in there. It's crazy. He swallowed it and held it. There we go, folks. Beautiful bass on the fluke.
Yeah.
Yep. Another one on the fluke, folks. Came up and nailed it. Yeah. Slay on, Jerry.
The littlest. Getting the little fellas.
Big bluegill.
That's the biggest one yet, I think. It sure is heavy. That's nice. Pretty.
Okay, folks, we're going to call it a day. Thanks for following along. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.